Hi everybody! Welcome to Salinas Public Library's Craft Corner. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make your very own handmade envelope that will fit any 5x7 inch card. For this video, you will need one 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock paper. I personally prefer the color brown, glue, and scissors. I recommend either a tape runner, craft glue, or a hot glue gun. If you use craft glue, you do need a brush. If you don't have any of that, that's okay. You can also use school glue or a glue stick. The first step is to download this envelope outline. I've included the link down in the description. When printing, make sure your computer hasn't cropped to fit or adjusted the size of the document in any way. If it has, the dimensions of the envelope will be smaller and it will not fit a 5x7 inch card. Switch the setting either to custom or scale depending on the printer you have and make sure it's set to 100%. Now the margins have been cut off as you can see here, but we can work around it. I've marked out the outline. Anything in red will be cut, anything in gray will be creased. Since these corners have been cut off, visualize and cut where it would have continued to give it a nice rounded curve. Do the same for the other side. Once you are done cutting, it will look like this. To crease, fold over the gray lines. If you're struggling to crease, you can also line up a ruler on the edge and then fold it over. From there, we glue. We're going to be gluing this inner flap and gluing it here. Be careful of the glue accidentally seeping to this side. If it does, your envelope may be glued shut and may not fit your card. Since this flap is shorter than this one, mark where the flap ends so you know when to stop applying glue. To glue, I'll be using a tape runner. It's easier to use, but like I mentioned, you can use any glue you have on hand. Make sure not to go over this edge. Try to stay as close as possible to the outer end. Then just press down and that's it. Super easy to do. You can put any 5x7 inch card in here, like the Mother's Day card you made in the other two videos. You can write out the person's name on the front of the envelope and trace it over with a marker or pen. You can either personally deliver it by leaving it in their mailbox or mail it through the post office. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment any video ideas you have for me.